Hello guys, I'm Rachel from 3rd CSE. Today I'm going to explain my second exercise in database systems, and it's going to be data manipulation language. So I'll start off by defining data manipulation language. So a data manipulation language is a family of syntax elements similar to a computer programming language used for selecting, inserting, deleting, and updating data in a database. Performing read-only queries of data is sometimes also considered a component of DML. So having defined DML, I'll move on to the questions for this exercise. Okay, my first question here is going to be to insert these values, the values that are given here, into my table. So inserting the above values into the corresponding table. So the tables are the same tables I've described in my previous exercise. It's going to be customer, order line, product, and supplier. So the command for inserting values into the table is insert into customer value, customer, where customer is the table name and values is a keyword. So here ampersand customer ID, like after ampersand you can give the customer attributes, because this can help me add values. Like I can add more than one or two values. It's not like I have to write this particular insert command every time when I add a value. So if I just have to add one value, I can just go for entering the values directly inside the bracket instead of using that ampersand. So after I enter the values, this is how my tables are going to be displayed. So for that, I'm going to use select asterisk from customer. For customer, again, is the table name. Here the purpose of using asterisk is that, like, if I just have to display like few columns, I can give the column name probably, but here I have to display the entire table, so I go with asterisk. So if it's done like that, you can see my entire table is going to be displayed along with the values. So this is the order table, and this is the order line table, and this is product, and this is supplier. So my second question is going to be to update the postal code of Henry Smith to 10032. I've done it here. So the command I'm going to be using is update. So here customer is the table name, set postal code 10032, where the condition is given. So here the customer name is Henry Smith, that is the condition. Here I've used set because if I do not use set, the value doesn't get updated. So as you can see, one row has been updated here. My third question is insert the record 108 10 November 14 1 into order table. So for that, I've just given use the insert command again and enter the values like order ID, the date, and the customer ID here. And so that particular row has been created. My fourth question is going to be to delete the record from order where order ID is 108. So the previous log that I've created, I'm going to delete it now. So I've used the delete command, delete from order 1 where order ID is equal to 108. So my next question is going to be to display the details of product whose price is greater than 100. So I've done that here. I'm going to use again select, and here I've given the attributes like which are inside the particular table, like order ID, product ID, and order quantity. I can also use asterisk if I want to display all the attributes in that particular table. So here I've just gone for mentioning the attribute names, and from order line, where from order line is the table name sorry, where price greater than 100 is going to be my condition. So as you see, these are the order IDs who has price greater than 100, and they have been displayed here. My next question is going to be to sort and display the details of the supplier whose rating is greater than or equal to 4. So here I'm going to use another new command called order by. This can be used to display the the values inside my table either in ascending or descending order. So if here I've done it in ascending order, so after where the condition is rating greater than or equal to 4, order by is gonna decide the order of the order in which my table is going to be aligned, either in ascending or descending order. So inside the bracket I'm going to give rating, so the arrangement is going to be based on the rating. So as you can see, this has been done in ascending order, so first comes 4 and then comes 5. So the next question is going to be to sort the table order line in descending order according to the order price. So previously we did it with rating, and now we're going to be doing it with price. So for descending order, I have to add another keyword like DESC, which indicates descending order. So as you can see, according to the price, like the one with the highest price has been displayed first and then it goes down. And similarly for ascending order, I can either give the keyword like ASC, otherwise I can just leave it like that, so it automatically gets displayed in ascending order. So my next question is going to be to show the customer details who have ordered the table lamp. So here it's just like after where, like first it's going to be select asterisk, so it selects the entire table. From product is going to be the table name, where after where the condition is like product description will be equal to table lamp. So the particular product ID, like the customer who's bought the table lamp, will be the detail of that customer would be displayed here. Then my next question is going to be how many customers have a name that ends with the letter A? Sorry. So here I've used again select command, customer name, that is the attribute. From customer, this is the table name, where the customer name, like so the condition given inside here is like if this percentage symbol is used, like before A is going to be my ending letter, so if I use this symbol before A, it means that before A I can have like I can have as many letters as I want, it doesn't matter. So it's just that my final letter is going to be A. But as you can see, no rows have been selected, like no customer has a name that ends with A. And the next question is going to be to list the customers who have the letter Y in their name. So Y should be somewhere in the name, I mean somewhere in the middle, like you can have as many letters you want before Y and after Y, but Y should be present somewhere in the middle of the name. So the condition I'm going to give is like percentage Y percentage. So here the name of the customer with a Y is Henry Smith. He has a Y in Henry. So my next question is going to be to show the customers whose name starts with the letter J. And for that, the same condition is used, J ampersand, which indicates the like a percentage, which means after J I can have as many letters as I want, but the name the name is going to start with a J. So I have two customer names, John Doe and Jojo. The next question is going to be to increase the quantity of the supplier by 2% for whoever rating is greater than 4. So the thing is, like, I have to increase the quantity by 2%, and that's what I've done here. I've set the order I've set that the ordered quantity is going to be equal to quantity into 1.02. This 1.02 is nothing but 2% when it is converted in decimal, and I'm going to just multiply it with quantity. Like, I have to increase the quantity by 2%, so I'm just going to multiply it with quantity where the rating is greater than 4. That is going to be my condition. So it's done here. Actually, this is the correct syntax. So as you can see, the quantity has been increased by 2%, and based on the rating, it's been displayed. Like, for all the it's been displayed here after increasing the quantity by 2%. My next question is going to be to display the names of the customers in alphabetical order. So that is going to be again done with a select command, and from customer order by customer name. So order by again is going to display the name of the customer in ascending order according to the alphabetical order. So when I give the customer name attribute inside the bracket, I'm going to get the ascending order of the name, like Henry Smith, Jojo, John Doe, and Richard Newman. So as you can see, it's been ordered in that, it's been arranged according to the alphabetical order. So the next question is going to be to find the number of orders placed on 10th October 2014. Okay, so here we're going to use another new keyword called count. It just gets the count of people who have ordered something on 10th October 2014, and according to the question, we have 4 customers who ordered something on that particular date. As you can see, 104, 105, 106, and 107. So my answer is going to be 4. So I just have to use select count, and inside the bracket I have to give that particular attribute name, and then from order 1 is going to be the table name, and the condition is going to be date is equal to 10th October 2014. And so that's it for my exercise 2. These are the questions that I've been asked to explain. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.